Have you ever wondered, what would a home look like if cats can hire an architect? Well, you don't have to anymore because architect Tan Yamanouchi brought that idea to life. Wishing to learn how to design a home from the perspective of our dearest felines, he decided to regard his cats as his two clients. Meet Alvar Aalto and Mies, or Atrium and Mies. They are the two clients for this 1,013 square feet home in Kamakura, Japan. A city filled with rich history and lush greenery located an hour away from central Tokyo. Their humans live here too, but we all know the house belongs to the cats. Designing a home for cats has its challenges though, since they don't speak human words. But having lived with the two for 10 years, the architect took his design cues from listening to them. The requests from the cat clients are roughly divided into 3 categories. The first is being able to choose their preferred tier of temperature at any day and time. As cats can sense changes in temperature by minute differences in height that we mere mortal humans cannot perceive, they like to move around choosing their place of preference. The second was to be able to be in the same room as their family members, but not too close. They are fond of spending time close to their cohabitants while still being able to hide a little or keeping a distance. And the third request was to have multiple choices of places where they could feel safe. The two prefer to move from one comfortable space to another impulsively as the seasons come and go. Thus, the decision to design the house as one big cat tree house was conceived. Conceiving a whole house as a large staircase, an atrium was placed with a top light in the center to surround it with spiral steps. The natural light shining through the skylight window illuminates each step of the stairs one by one throughout the day. The rises are designed based on the body measurements of the cats, which led to having 23 different floor levels. The entire house is thus divided into fine stripes of temperature layers between which the feline clients spend all day traveling. The spiral staircase, wrapped around the atrium with a skylight, was designed to allow the inhabitants to look around the whole house from anywhere without obstructing the line of vision. The standard dimension of the run of each step is generously set to 900 millimeters, so that the cats can hide from people downstairs, keep a certain sense of distance from others, or even sleep peacefully. On each corner of the stairs, a bedroom, guest room, studio, kitchen, dining room, and bathroom are placed for the clients to find comfortable spots impulsively. As this is an architect's studio, as much as it is a home, it inevitably has constant guests. When there are unexpected visitors, each room also functions as a hiding place for the cats. On the wall, built along the spiral steps, a bookshelf was designed in a cantilever structure, transforming the staircase from a mere passage to a split-level library. For the cats, the stairs function as cozy bedding, whilst for their humans, they become a book vault with suitable height differences to sit anywhere. A part of the circular steps bisects backwards. At the end, a window is implemented at the cat's eye level, and the final rise of the steps is as high as a human chair to provide a porch-like space for them. Also, cats looking out the window is a sight that improves the neighborhood landscape. The form of this house consists of two L-shaped volumes, each with a shed roof of different angles. By interlocking the two volumes, a basic shape was designed that implies construction and blends in with the mountains of Kamakura, yet avoids looking like a commonly shaped home. There are approximately 80 species of plants planted in the approach zone. Many different colors were combined and adjusted to reach this color palette. Considering how the site is rich in nature, the number of species were deliberately cut from the original flora and instead aimed to add an accent to the landscape through a curated choice of plants. In Japan, there are 10 times more pet cats than newborn babies. The number of pets in total exceeds the number of children as well. In addition, Japan is one of the fastest aging countries where there is an increasing interest in animal therapy. For cats, the house is their whole world. By learning how to design a home from a feline perspective and taking design cues from 10 years of living with them harmoniously, what was born was an architectural approach that embraces and mixes the worlds of both cats and humans.